If you've got a reliable backup system in place, please skip this video. If not, it's vital that you keep watching. The one thing that is guaranteed to happen is that at some point you will have a total crash of your website. It's not a case of if, it is when. And you're probably thinking that it won't happen to you. I thought the same and I was wrong. It cost me big time. Don't make my mistake. You may also be thinking that your hosting company has a backup system in place. However, this is often insufficient and I'll explain why. Let me tell you a real life story. One day I got an alert that my website was down. Oh no, what happened? Everybody will have a different story how it happened to them, but in my case it felt like a freak instance. All websites are stored on a server in a data center. And many major hosting companies, they rent space in these servers and then resell it to you. The contract is between you and the hosting company, not the data center. In my case, it was a reliable hosting company that had a financial issue and defaulted. The data center shut down access to the server, and along with that, all the hosting and backups of my website. There was nothing I could do but rebuild the website from scratch. The cost was enormous as it was a few hundred pages. Another scenario that we came across happened a few months ago. The client's in-house IT technician ran a simple command that accidentally deleted the files on a server, and a 300-page website was lost. Oh no! The result? They needed to rebuild it from scratch. Finally, one of a website's greatest risks is being hacked. We all know WordPress, plugins and themes have vulnerabilities which are exploited by hackers. If I check my server logs every 2 minutes, an automated hacking tool is probing our website to see if we have a plugin or a theme with a known vulnerability. And it's not just my website, but every WordPress website I've ever looked at. And I bet if you check your server logs, you will find the same. The hackers are waiting at the door. Most WordPress websites have a number of plugins and a theme, and if there is just one weak file in a theme or in one of the many plugins, a hacker will get in. It's just a matter of time. A short while ago, a hacker got into Facebook and posted on Mark Zuckerberg's personal feed. That got his attention. If companies like Facebook, who spend millions on security, get hacked, smaller websites stand no chance. One mistake from a plugin or theme author and all the websites on the web that have that plugin are vulnerable to be hacked. It's a case of when. So, when a hacker finds a vulnerability in one of your plugins or theme and you do get hacked and they corrupt all your website's files, you want to be 100% certain that you have a reliable backup system. 30 minutes to restore your site from a backup is a lot better than rebuilding it from scratch. Trust me, I know. That sounds important. If you would like, we can install a backup system that will automatically back up your website to your computer, Dropbox, Google Drive, or any other storage system. It is important to note that it needs to be separate from your hosting backups. If you already have this, fantastic. If not, is there anything worse than a total crash of your website? Yes, a total crash without a backup. So take action now and prevent this from happening to you.